Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the pTron Bassbuds Duo truly wireless earphones. As you can see, the front of the package has an image of the product and there's also an image of the product in use. The pTron branding is on the top left and the Bassbuds branding is right here, and there's some branding right here as well. The Bassbuds branding folds on to the right hand side of the packaging, and we can also see a social media hashtag which says "Be loud, be proud." It's pretty much the same on the left hand side of the package as well. On top, we have a sticker with the full name of the earphones, which are pTron Bassbuds Duo Bluetooth wireless headphones with passive noise cancellation and voice assistant. And the sticker also reveals that we have the white variant of the earphones. And on the back, we have some technical specifications. So let's go through them one by one. The connectivity type is wireless. The wireless range is 10 meters. The speaker driver size is 13 mm. Total playback time, including the charge from the case, is 15 hours. The charging input is DC 5 volts at 1 amp, and it can be charged via USB Type-C. Earbud battery is 35 mAh in each earbud, and the battery in the battery case is 300 mAh. Both take 1.5 hours to charge. Underneath the specifications, we have the different color variants of these headphones. We can see that we have a black, blue, and white variant available for this exact model. Underneath the colors, we have some information regarding the importing and manufacturing. And on the end of that, we have the customer care details, that is the pTron customer care details in case you have any difficulties with the product. We also have some warranty information right here, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Lastly, on the bottom right, we have a logo that shows that this product is BIS certified. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. In the box, what we get is some literature in the form of this thank you note. On the underside of it, we have the QR code that would lead to the registration page for the warranty, but we, as we mentioned earlier, recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next, we have this card that has another QR code, and that would lead you to the user guide. We also get two additional ear tips, one in the large size and one in the small size, in case the ones that are already fit onto the earbuds are not completely comfortable. Next, we have the charging cable. It has a USB Type-C interface on one end and a USB Type-A interface on the other. The overall length is about 1 foot long. Coming to the product itself, we have the earbuds and the charging case. As we can see, it has a very glossy, shiny white finish all across the product. We have the pTron branding on the earbud stem. There's also an LED light right next to the pTron branding, and we have the indicator for which earbud it is. In this case, it is the right earbud and it has the symbol R on it. On the underside of the stem, we have these two charging connection pins, which when placed inside the charging case will help with charging the headphones. Each ear tip can be removed like this, and it does not require a lot of pressure. Coming to the charging case, as with the earbuds, they have a glossy white finish. The pTron branding is on the front. There is an LED light underneath it to signify its charging status or the amount of charge that it has remaining. On the underside, we have the USB-C port, which can be used to charge the charging case. On the back, we have the registration numbers for the various certifications, including its BIS certification. To get started with using the product, all we need to do is remove the earphones from the charging case. If it is the first time you are removing it, it will put the earphones into pairing mode. Next, we can go to any compatible device. For the purposes of this video, we will be using an Android smartphone, and we will be going into the Bluetooth settings. It should show up in your available devices section. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. Once connected, it will tell you that it is ready and it is in use for calls and media playback. We can also see that the battery level is 100%. Now you can use these headphones to listen to your favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the pTron Bassbuds Duo Truly Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.